How to upload songs to FreshTunes step by step. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to upload songs to FreshTunes step by step. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do this, as you can see, I am on the freshtunes.com. So after you're in there, you can just log in, and as you can see right here, I already logged in. So just log in your account, and then after that, on this dashboard, you can see this album, which is the new album. So just click on this new album right here. Then you can read this, click on OK, and then click on choose files right here. You can also draw files to upload. So for me, I will draw files. So it needs to be on the WAV audio file because this is the thing that they allow. So I will just copy it right here. And as you can see, it will upload. So as you can see right here, I've already actually uploaded it. So here is the thing that I have uploaded. So let's head over again to my upload list. So let's refresh our FreshTunes. As you can see, it is loading again. So just click on this I accept and make sure to log in because on some cases it will log you out of your FreshTunes account when you upload. So as you can see right here is my album list. So I already uploaded this file right here, so we can just click on edit right here. And then you can add in album name. So for example, we want it to be Halo. And then you can also upload a cover. You can add in the artist name. So for me, the artist name is PM Frams. The genre is for actually is hip hop rock. And then you can actually add in the price category. I will add it to be $1.29. Then you can add the language of the album's title. It is on English, so I'll choose English. You can add in a release date, a pre-order date, and start sales date. On this track, you can add this right here. So since this is only a single track album, then this is the only person that I will add. But if you want to add another track, you can just click on this right here. And then right here, you can just type in your artist name again. So let's type in the artist name. And also the composer, the author, the audio's language. So you can also add in if it is explicit. Or you can also add in the lyrics or the TikTok start point and anything like that. And when you scroll down, you can see here the stores and countries. So you can choose all countries right here, or you can also choose one country or just a few country that you want. And in here, you can see where all the things it will be uploaded. So as you can see, there's a bunch right here. I choose Store, Apple, up to the Yandex Music. Then after you have done with that, you can just click on save right here. And you can also click on this complete and it will automatically upload your song in all of this. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to upload songs to FreshTunes step by step. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!